My situation is a little unique. I'm a mother of an adult daughter who had an oxygenated brain injury from a medical procedure that went terribly wrong. And she was not of sound mind to be able to make medical decisions on her own. And certainly, we did all of the care that the medical system, the hospitals provided. But they had also told us that 90% of her recovery was going to happen within the first 90 days. And I knew that time really mattered, the minutes mattered. And this was a woman that was a fully functioning executive that went into learning how to walk again and talk again, how to write again. They put a pen in her hand. She didn't know what it was or what to do with it. I mean, the gravity of the situation was pretty severe. And I actually went to my doctor and said, "What else can I do outside of what the typical medical system offers?" And she started giving me options. And I simply asked her, "If my daughter was your daughter, what would you do?" And one of the first things she said to do was that Brianna needed to get stem cell treatments. And had so much trust in my doctor, but it still felt like a risk. But in the end, I really did pray about it. I knew timing was of the essence, and I knew that it was so important to make a decision. And I said yes, and subsequently found out that Yi Song was part of where my doctor ended up getting the stem cells in order to do the treatments. And let me just tell you, my doctor told me said, within 72 hours, in about 3 days, don't say anything to her, but ask her, how is she doing? And I remember visiting her, and without, trying to instigate it or coerce it or lead it, she just said to me, "I can't believe how much clearer I feel, like I am seeing things, like I am thinking. It's like the fog is lifting." And it was literally 3 days, the 72 hours. And so I just want to say what I know is we went from there and had it done again. We had 2 treatments. And what I know is that, through the grace of God and the miracle of science and medicine, I mean, my daughter today is, fully functional. She's driving and she's working again, and she's just doing all the things, and now actually even expecting my second grandchild. And so I just can't recommend enough. The miracle is sometimes what you invite in to allow to happen.